Could you imagine going on a holiday and not being able to record at home? Because I can. It's very sad. Anyway, I'm going to Bali for a week. I'm gonna vlog the whole trip. Now this won't be like the cyclone vlogs where I uploaded one every single day, and it just was basically me going, oh, it's wet and windy, and then that was basically it. This is obviously going to be a lot more shorter, a lot more compact. It'll probably consist of maybe 1 or 2 videos, depending on how much content there is. I say content because I'm not very good at making it. Anyway, off to Bali I go.
You're not allowed to turn it until...
We are on a
That's what Sticks done, he fell asleep.
2-hour car ride, and we have been stopped by a lollipop lady. Lady?
Mm-hmm.
Lady. Or lady, or lollipop person. Yeah, we don't discriminate, do we? Alright, yo, you know what it is? We're doing a fucking room review, bitch. You like that? Fucking... Ah. Boom, we popping into the fucking bathroom. This shit is massive. You get yourself a big ass mirror, big bathtubs, me and Dylan can cuddle. And there's also a little peephole. Hey, bro.
Fuck off.
Alright, cool. Nice to know about that. Here's the main room. 2 beds, 1 dickhead. It's... Oh man, I love going to the toilet without anybody watching. Fuck. Okay guys, I'm really mad at Dylan right now, so what I'm gonna do, instead of hitting him, is use this body pillow and pretend it's him. I hate you, Dylan. Did you enjoy that? Did you enjoy that, Dylan?
Yes, Jordan, I liked that very much. Please do it again.
Listen, man. This monstrosity of a drink is called a Bob Marley, and let me tell you, it fucked up my night. And I'm just like, but the whole
Wait, the files are going down.
That's what I'm saying to Dad. If he ever wants to, because it was a group thing, but it's also a present. It doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah, no, because if you go on with the camera, it's like, he's is good. Wait, oh, never mind, my thing's old. No.
Oh, we're from Tasmania.
We're in an elevator. Now we're out of the elevator. That drink fucked me up. Pretty good time, wasn't it, Dad? Okay, well. Here we have Dylan Mills, the human traffic cone, and also former child molester. Wait, so what are they doing? So they're dropping us off at the starting point. Yeah. There's like they're like a Mario Kart race where they get like the cloud guy.
Like the tyres are.
Yeah, it's huge. Nobody gets my cool reference.
I got the reference, Jordan.
Fuck you. Ow.
$19.
I want some sketty.
3 glasses.
What? I want some sketty. No. Fucking die.
Lately I've been so alone and smile might make the blues go away.
Nice bait. The future is now, old man.
Might make the
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our last day in Bali. And by our last day, I mean, of course, me and Dylan's, because we stay here for a week. Mum and Dad stay for another. I just realised, because the room's so cold and it's so moist out here, the camera may have just fogged up immediately.
stay a while. Make a smile for me.
Joel, please, there's no way out. Please. No.
The bitch now.
See? I ain't had to do shit and you being a little bitch. Oh, fuck. Listen. No.
Lately I've been so alone and smile might make the blues go away. Might make the blues go away.
Jordan, what the fuck are you doing? Jordan doing something stupid. I can't hear you. What? Jordan is doing something stupid. What?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Nothing.
Go ahead and jump on and fall off and break your arm.
I won't.
Is it soft?
Yeah. This is how I'm gonna sleep from now on.
Jordan, pick up that pillow that just fell on the floor.
Fuck you! Baggage. This is my pillow fortress. Ow, fuck! Ow, that hurt. Look at this kid. Bro, the kid's so cool, he's got sunglasses on. At night. Could you imagine being that cool? Yeah.
I can do it. I can do it.
Top lip, Jamie.
Top lip.
Sauce on it.
Top lip, please.
And
Top lip.
well, that will end him.
Oh. Yeah, look at my glasses now.
Alright, so we're on our way to the gate, right? And we were first at gate 6, and then they changed us to gate 9B. And we're like, alright, cool, we'll just walk down. So we've walked down to gate 9, and then we've looked at the thing again, and they've changed it to gate 3. So now we have to walk all the way back about 500, 600, 700 meters back to gate 3. Oh wee! What a trip to Bali that was. Can't believe it only took us a week to film all that kind of stuff. And oh, what's that? Oh, it's the 27th of December. It's been a month since I recorded all this shit. Oh god, that's horrible. Anyway, here it is. Thank you guys for watching. I know this took me a while. I've been holding it off for a bit, just been trying to deal with some stuff. I'm gonna throw some clips up on the screen right now. Right after we got back from Bali, the day after, we went straight to the airport and we picked up a new puppy that we'd gotten. We got her from Broome. Her name is Bella. She is adorable. She's honestly just a beautiful puppy. Obviously, because she is a puppy, we have to teach her all stuff: sit, shake, don't piss on the couch, that kind of stuff. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you want to, leave suggestions in the comments about what I should do next. If you want me to make any kind of videos. I know gaming isn't exactly the most popular thing right now, so I might hold off on that a bit. No mukbangs. If you suggest mukbangs, pranks, porn, gay porn, any of that stuff, just don't even think about it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a good year. I hope you had a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will also be maybe another month away. Who knows? I'm really bad at YouTube.